Hey, what's up, guys? This is RJ here. Guys, I'm so excited to tell you guys this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. So, this is all about the freedom. If you guys don't know where to start online business, I am going to tell you guys this this 3 days is going to help you guys to understand how to build your online business. So this things this course I did myself. You can see that this is the full course. I did that myself. I learned from here. Okay, this is all the full course, but I'm not going to talk about. I already make some videos about all the full course, but going to talk about 3 days business breakthrough challenge, and it's changed my life. This whole course changed my life. I used to work in the hospitality sector, hotel sector for last 10 years, and then this pandemic I lost my job, and I thought like what to do, how to make money online, because COVID is still there outside. So um, that's Jonathan. He came with his blueprint, and I bought it, and I start learning. I start making sale. So let me show you guys a little bit about 3 days businesses, this challenge. So you can see that this is the freedom breakthrough, means like if you are looking for the freedom, and so this is the perfect time. So Jonathan, he was the electric engineer. He left his job, and then he started doing affiliate marketing. And 9 months, he become a full-time affiliate marketer. So the day one, you can see that how you can implement my three-step system to make daily commission online. So he's gonna tell you about everything. Is 37 minute videos, and he will go walk through like a step by step. And the second is, you can see that um, let me show you guys, I think a little bit. So day two, let's build your business today in 30 minutes. So your online business he gonna build in 30 minutes. So how exciting is that? If you guys don't know anything about online business, and we are here to help you, we have the team, and we are going to help you guys, and it's so excited. I'm so excited. And day three is like a 1 hour videos, and he is going to tell you about all the traffic, what you need to drive, and what you need to learn about the traffic and how it's gonna work, guys. I'm super pumped, excited to tell you guys. This course is gonna change your life. If it will not change your life, then just call me and text me. Okay, this is working for me, and it will work for you guys. All right. So I let me play a little bit.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to day number 3 of the Business Breakthrough Challenge.
So this is all the whole module. I have it myself, but I will recommend you guys just go for 3 days, understand the things, how to create your online business. And if you guys you want to go ahead more further, you guys are most welcome. But I will highly recommend you guys just go and understand the things. Okay, just understand yourself what is this is all about. And believe me, trust me, it's helped me. And I never had a techie person. I don't have any tech knowledge about like a computer. I used to work in the I started as a waiter, and then become a restaurant manager. After restaurant manager, I start doing affiliate marketing. It's working for me, and it will work for you guys. And if you guys like my this videos, please like and subscribe, because very soon I'm going to release my all the step by steps, all the good excellent videos, guys. So, and how to make money online, I'm gonna make it very soon. So thank you so much for watching these videos. I love you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.